Hello YouTube, this is Sunny here again with the second part of our plugin tutorial. In our first tutorial we learned how to make a main class and a plugin.yml which registers a plugin. And we've added craft bucket to our build dependency, so the plugin will work. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a command, I think maybe a second one if you have enough time. We are going to make a hello world command that's gonna say something when we type it in or broadcast something. So what we want to do is first you want to create a new class or class, however you want to pronounce it, and name it hello world or whatever you want to actually name it, because doesn't really matter, but it will matter in the main class when you register it. So once you've got your name there, you can say finish and then you declare class, because I've already got mine over there. All I need to do is say cancel when I do, and then we are going to our main class. Yay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say get command, it's get command hi dot set executor new your class name. This has to be a class name, so, and it is case sensitive, so please type the class in correctly. Not hello world, it's hello world. And then you'll see an error pop up here saying that the method set executor command executor in a type plugin command is not applicable for the argument hello world. All you need to do is say let hello world implement command executor, or you could type this in as soon as you create the class. So instead of having to do that, all you need to say is implement implements command executor, and there we go. And now you'll see another error saying the type hello world must implement the inherited abstract method command executor dot on command sender and blah blah blah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this piece of code to this, and all you need to say is import command sender from no, we don't need that. Wait, I think we do, but this is the right one. No, we say import command, and that should do it. Yeah, that's it, does it. If you see an error around here, please do not say import other, because besides org.bucket.command.whatever, because otherwise you're not registering it on the Bukkit version. Well, okay, I don't know how to word it, but it's not going to work on Bukkit if you import it from another thingy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say if we're going to name our command. So because over here we said the command will be hi or whatever you made it, we can say we're going to have to say if command label dot equals ignore case hi. So what basically this does is it says if the command is equals to ignoring the case hi, whatever we put here must happen. So what we are gonna do now is we're gonna say if args.length is equals to 0 and then something here. So what basically this does is says if the argument length is equals to 0, in our case, which will be equals to 0 unless you type in slash hi the player's name, this part here is going to be operated, well, executed. So what we're going to do is say player equals to player sender, and then you'll see another error here. It says player cannot be resolved to type. Again, import player from org.bucket.entity, and then say now we're going to send a player message. We're going to say player.send message bracket chat color dot red, and then again it's gonna pop up with an error. All you need to do is import from org.bukkit, and then you'll be set. And then after that you want to say plus hello, and then we can, let's say you want to get the person's name. Then you'll say plus player dot get display name. Pretty sure it is display name. Good. Player cannot be. Wait. Player dot. Let me do this. Player dot get display name. Yeah, I forgot the last bracket. I'm gonna say it's gonna. Okay, so what basically this does now is, if the argument length is equals to 0, and then it's gonna get the player that sends it, and then it's gonna get the same player and it's gonna send him a message saying in red color saying hello and the player's name, display name. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna register it. Okay, so this is our thingy, our plugin YML. So on a new line, you should not use tab with this. So about 2 spaces as far as I know. Let me just double check. Yep, 2 spaces. What we're gonna say is hi. I'm gonna say, well, you could probably use tabs, but I prefer using spaces because I think it's safer. You're gonna say description. This describes what your plugin does. You don't have to word it in a certain way, because when you do /help your plugin name, this is gonna show up. So when it says commands hi, and it's gonna say sends a message to the player. So we're gonna say sends a message to the player. And we're gonna say usage. This states how you're gonna use the plugin. So in our case, we're probably gonna say slash. You can probably say sorry, it's pressed insert. If this happens and you need to do something and then it does that, all you need to do is press the insert key on your keyboard and then it should be fixed. So what you're gonna say is, gonna say hi. That's how we're gonna use it. Permission. Over here, this is what permission you need to execute this command. So we're gonna say YouTube dot hi dot message, then permission message. What permission message does is that it basically, where if you don't have this permission, it's gonna send this message. So what we're gonna say is boo. No, not gonna say boo. Not gonna be childish today. Okay. What we're gonna say is well, you can actually write anything. So you're gonna say you do not have permission. So what this does is basically it says you do not have youtube.hi.message for this command. So let's test our plugin out. As per usual, go to, okay, we don't need the mine one. So what you do is say export jar file, next. Make sure that YouTube series is there, or whatever you named your folder, and then class path and project is there, and then you can name this anything. So we're gonna overwrite it from the last time. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start the server, Bungie server, Cauldron server, and then red font start. And then we're gonna go into our game. Yay, we go into our game. The server is gonna take a while to start up, and while my game loads, I'm gonna pause it until everything's up. Alright guys, now that I'm back, my server's up. What I'm gonna do, so yay, yeah, don't mind those messages, it's from admin troll, my other plugin, which has a really buggy updater. I'm so sorry about that if any of you use it, but I'm gonna try and fix that by the next feature. So now that we're gonna check if the plugin works, plugin plugin, no, can't do this to me now. Slash plugin, yeah, YouTube is there, admin troll is there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say /hi. Yay, it says hello the boss gamer, so it works. And that is my display name. So So thank you for watching this video. The next video we're gonna have another command, probably gonna add some more command features, and then what we're gonna do is probably also gonna start with some events. And hope you guys enjoy. Please drop us a like and or a subscribe if you really like the video. Don't forget to check out some of our websites. freedomg.net is one of our websites. And thanks for watching. Cheers guys.